First, Python. Python's user-friendly syntax and robust AI libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn have solidified its position as the go-to language for machine learning, deep learning, and data science. First, Python. Python's user-friendly syntax and robust AI libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn have solidified its position as the go-to language for machine learning, deep learning, and data science. Why it's great. Easy to learn and backed by a massive community. Example, want to build an image recognition app? Python's got you covered. Next, R is a powerful tool for statistical computing and data visualization. It's widely used in academia and industries that rely on data-driven insights. Why it's great. Packed with tools for statistical modeling and visualization. Example, user to analyze large datasets and create stunning visualizations. Next, Java's robust nature and cross-platform compatibility make it a strong choice for developing complex AI systems, including intelligent chatbots and big data solutions. Why it's great. Highly scalable and secure. Example, many enterprise-level AI chatbots and recommendation systems are powered by Java. Next, Java's robust nature and cross-platform compatibility make it a strong choice for developing complex AI systems, including intelligent chatbots and big data solutions. Why it's great. Lightning-fast execution. Example, Julia excels in projects like dynamic simulations and real-time data processing. Next, C++. C++ offers unparalleled control and performance, making it a preferred choice for developers creating cutting-edge AI systems, fast-paced games, and resource-hungry neural networks. Why it's great. Provides low-level control over system resources. Example, AI in gaming, such as NPC behavior and real-time decision-making. Next, JavaScript. JavaScript is breaking into the AI world, thanks to libraries like TensorFlow.js that bring machine learning capabilities directly to the web browser. Why it's great. AI applications accessible through web interfaces. Example, implement face detection directly in your website using JavaScript. Next, MATLAB. MATLAB is popular in research and academia for AI modeling, especially in robotics and automation. Why it's great. Built-in tools for matrix manipulations and simulations. Example, it's frequently used for prototyping AI algorithms before scaling up. Next, Scala. Scala's seamless compatibility with Apache Spark empowers developers to handle massive datasets and build sophisticated AI applications. Why it's great. High performance and scalability for data-intensive AI projects. Example, use Scala to process and analyze massive datasets in real time. Last, Prolog. Prolog, a unique language rooted in logic, is a powerful tool for AI applications that require symbolic reasoning, such as natural language processing and expert systems. Why it's great. Ideal for solving logic-based problems. Example, develop an AI system for medical diagnosis or legal reasoning. And there you have it. These top 9 programming languages are shaping the future of AI. Which language will you choose to fuel your next AI project? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI insights and programming tutorials. See you in the next video.